Here at the Blue Coast team, we deal with a lot of first-time homebuyers who have only a vague idea of what happens during the home buying process. We know that an informed client, well, is a happy client, which is why I'm here today to break down the 10 steps of the home buying process. Step 1. Buyers need to research their potential realtor first and then reach out for more information on what they can offer them. This is the time where you want to take a look at their character, their marketing plan, their social media reach, and the reviews, among other things. Get a real feel for who they are and what they can do for you. If a realtor seems honest, competent, hardworking, and effective, you may have found the right one. Once you've decided who will be your agent, you'll need to contact them and meet with them. Make sure that both parties are clear about their expectations. Your realtor should initiate meetings or phone calls so everyone knows what to expect during the process. Make sure your goals are aligned. Step 2, now that you've chosen your realtor, it's time to get pre-approved. Really, this should be step number 1, but a lot of first-time homebuyers reach out to us before getting pre-approved. Getting pre-approved is really important. The loan will be a huge component in how much home you can afford and what type of home you'll be able to buy. Have a chat with a reputable financial lender. You'll provide them with T4s, tax returns, and pay stubs, and they'll perform a credit check. They'll input all this info for you and determine how much you'll be able to borrow and how much they'll be able to lend you. Step 3, at this point, you should start making your wish list. Priorities like number of bedrooms and bathrooms, amenities such as pools or open spaces, location preferences like near work or near schools, must-haves like certain size kitchens, and nice-to-haves like, let's say, a fireplace. Step 4, your realtor will set up alerts and notifications based on the loan you were pre-approved for, as well as your wish list. You will be notified as soon as a new listing that meets your criteria hits the market. Step 5, you will want to get inside some homes that interest you, which means scheduling viewings and attending open houses. Getting inside the home is really the best way to figure out which home suits you. And of course, if you're at a town buyer, a video chat walkthrough with your realtor is totally fine. Step 6, once you've found a home that meets your wants and your needs, it's time to make an offer, which your agent will present as a written offer to the seller. Your offer could be accepted, rejected, or countered by the seller. This is when your realtor will negotiate the best possible deal on your behalf. When a deal is struck, the terms will be written in the agreement of purchase sale and all parties will sign it. Step 7, accepted offers often come with conditions. 2 of the most common being financing or home inspection, which will be included in the agreement of purchase and sale. The financing condition means that the seller will only accept your offer if your mortgage has been formally approved. This protects the buyer and the seller, and especially the buyer from maybe losing their deposit or possibly getting sued if they can't close. The home inspection condition that the purchase contract has in it has an additional clause saying that you may be able to back out of the sale if there's any significant problems found during the home inspection. Step 8, purchasing a home is not complete until the sale has been legally recorded, which is why you need a lawyer. Your lawyer will prepare and review your mortgage, title, and transfer documents, as well as your purchase agreements, and finalize that sale for you. Step 9, you're nearing the end, which is closing day. You might do one final walkthrough before closing. Your lender now will provide the mortgage money to your lawyer. The lawyer will pay all the people selling the house and register it in your name. The lawyer will put your name on the deed. You'll grab the keys and the home is now yours. Step 10, you're now a homeowner, so you'll need to celebrate your win and plan your move. Make sure to enjoy this time and set a bright tone for the life in this home. If you have kids, get them excited for the move and spread some positivity. You'll also want to finalize your plans with the move, which could involve organizing with friends and families, to lend a hand, renting a cube truck, or hiring a moving company. There you have it. There's the 10 steps for the home buying process. We're going to break down each of these steps for you in some greater details in future videos, and thanks for watching.